Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna inform you if we can use the Use Nik Collection plugin for Lightroom in our phone. So at first, what is Use Nik Collection? The Use Nik Collection is a suite of photo editing plugins that provide advanced tools for enhancing images, originally developed by Nik Software and later acquired by the Google. It includes several modules for various effects. So on to the point. The Use Nik Collection is not available as a standalone app for Android, so you cannot directly use it with Lightroom on your phone. However, you can achieve similar effects with Lightroom's built-in tools and preset. But if you want to use Nik Collection features, you'd need to edit your photos on desktop and then you can use it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.